Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Spreadsheet enthusiasts. In today's video, we are unlocking the power of data export, so join me as I guide you through the steps on how to seamlessly export your Monday.com data to Excel in 2024, whether you are a project manager or data analyst. So let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, in this video, I will simply need you to have your account on Monday.com connected. Then, obviously, I will need you to have some kind of a workspace. To create any kind of workspace on your account, simply just hit up right here and click on Add Workspace right through here. And let's name this Excel Exports. Let's just keep it as it is. Let's change the color to be green as Excel it is, and let's add a workspace. Now what I'm gonna do is to add a new board. So there we go, click on new board, let's name it Excel as well, and here we go. So here in this board I'm just gonna fill it randomly. So item 1, let's Zach, I don't know, Alex, and here Alejandro. Here let's add, for example, priority, here priority medium, low, and critical. Here stuck, here let's keep it as it is, and here we have basically this table, and let's say that we want to actually export it to our Excel file. So how can we actually do that? Well, there is two ways to do so. The first way is basically by going right here, go to App Marketplace, and from here you can simply try to connect it with Excel. So this is one of many ways. So here there is update with Excel CSV or spreadsheet web apps. So we can literally using this export and import basically your files from Excel to your basically Monday.com workspace. But there is another way which is much easier. So I'm going to show you right here. As you can see, we are on our board. Go to the right, click here on these three dot options, and here you will find more actions. After that, export board to Excel. As you can see, include update and keep it as it is. Click on export, and as you can see now, we have it. This is simply it. We have now the file between our hands. We have literally everything. So here it is. This is Excel file. We can here enable editing, and as you can see here, we can literally edit whatever we want. So this is medium, this is low. Let me just fix the actual board for us. So here, let me just remove that really quick. Let's make them bigger so you can see everything in detail. Yeah, it's pretty looking nice. Let's do something like so, or let's make them bigger. Yep. And so as you can see here, everything is clear, everything is good. You can see here are the names, the person, the status, the dates, and the priority that you have chosen. There's also group title too, which we haven't touched yet, but it is included in our board, so it has got imported within the actual file. Here we have the logo, which will direct us to Monday.com, as you can see here. Here we have the date, so everything has been copied, as you can see, without any problems. Let's try to do something in this board, and I'm going to show you now how to import it as a side information. So let's say we have changed something here, for example, Zach. This is the change that we have done. I'm going to save that, and basically what I'm going to do is to go to Monday.com account, as you can see right here, and I'm going to click on top right corner, write that, and import data. From this I'm going to choose any one of these. So for myself, I'm going to choose Excel sheet, and simply now I'm just going to click browse, choose this one. Yeah, your data is here, so let's customize your new board. And yeah, this is exactly what we want. So click on next, next. All right, this is exactly what I want. And yeah, this is somehow the thing that I got. So Alejandro, stock, the date, the crucial, etc. So they give us every detail. The priority, there will be some kind of glitches. For example, here the name of the table, for example here the color done, there is some mistakes that are in here, but yeah, in general this is how it looks like. For example here, low should be instead of priority, done should be instead of like low, something like that. Date is supposed to be here. So some kind of mistakes that you have to fix them by your own. That's not gonna be taking a lot of time from you, so it's a not a very big thing. But in general, this is a method that is very simple and very easy for you to actually manage to import and export your data into your Monday work management or from it. So it is very easy, nothing complicated about it at all. So once more, if you didn't understand exactly, let's go through it once more. What you'll have to do is, of course, go ahead and own a workspace. So here, you simply just click on any workspace that you have and just create a new one. This is very easy, guys. Next thing is to go right here, click on this plus button and create a new board. This is another important thing. Then these boards has to be containing some informations. So here, just put whatever information that comes to your mind. For example, here task 1, task 2, and task 3. Here it should be the priority, for example. Let's add something else instead of priority. Let's say, for example, here checkbox. Alright, and I'm gonna just do this like that. So let's do it around that, and here I'm going to simply to actually try to export it. Simply I'm going to go right here, click on this 3 point, more actions, and export board to Excel. I'm going to activate every update and export it, and there we go. So now we have the file between our hands, so I'm just gonna click on it, and here it is. So now we have it between our hands. Here it is checked. We have here the colors, the dates, the task names, the group title, new board, and here the logo of Monday. So it is working 100%. And if you want to import it, just do the same thing that I showed you before. Go to the top right corner, go ahead and import data. Make sure to choose Excel because you are using Excel. In case you were using, for example, Trello or Basecamp or Facebook ads or anything, you can literally just choose them. But for our case, we are going with Excel. Choose the file, which is the latest one, and then go and customize your board. It's gonna be very easy, very simple. So what is your first row? It should be somewhere like so. So what is your first row? Yep, this one. And here should be my second row. So for example, here we have to remove these things from Excel so it can be fixed, because we can't really remove these, so you have to really choose them exactly how you want them to be. So here this is some other details that you have to fix, and then just click on create board and it should be created. So guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.